To reposition the edge panel handle on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra for easier access, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display, tap display, scroll down the screen, tap edge panel, tap handle, next tap position, and then choose whether you want the handle on the left or right edge of the screen. As the example, you can place it on the right side if you are a right-handed user for more convenient access. To move the handle up or down within the selected edge, tap and hold the handle and then drag it to your preferred height. Release it once you are happy with the placement. As a note, reposition the edge panel handle helps you access it faster and more comfortably, especially when you are using your phone with one hand. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.